A lovely evening, ladies and gentlemen. Global Namaste with folded hands. We've all gathered here for something very special. It's the super success celebration of the cover page of Nahar's Amrit Shakti. The name itself is synonymous with Amrit and Shakti. It's the power of the divine energy. And we are truly overwhelmed to have this spectacular celebration. It's unique, it's very stylish, at the same time elegant and sophisticated. Just like we have the projects on the cover page. We are here to also congratulate this wondrous cover page of Nahar Amar Shakti. So it's time for us, the Nahar Amrit Shaktis, absolutely very trailblazer gentlemen, but uske liye karna hoga hum sabko thoda sa intezar. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for all of us to truly look forward in the world of architecture, real estate, decor. It's only the numero uno. That's society, interiors and design. And at the same time, it's an honor and privilege for all of us to have every genre and every generation connect with us, who belongs to the world of the real estate or could be interior designing, decor. It's always society, interiors and design. Gives me a huge honor towards the beginning to introduce all of you to the very renowned gentleman, very synonymous with the perfection. May we please welcome and give it up for a very own dynamic and the one and only who leads the Magnet Publishing in a very stylish way. May we welcome Mr. Ashok Damankar, the founder and taking the legacy of Magnet Publishing in a very brilliant way altogether. And now, this is the most awaited moment for which we have this super success celebration and we've all joined here together to raise a toast. Deviyon Sajano, unke naam mein wo divine energy hai. Gives me a huge fabulous honor to welcome the one and only, our respected founder, chairman and managing director of Nahar Group. Let's give it up for our living legend, Sir Sukhraj Naharji. We welcome you, sir. Please kindly join us here. Sir, before I invite a very beautiful, dynamic and supremely talented lady, मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहूँगी सर, जो मेरे न सिर्फ दिल ने कहा बट आत्मा ने कहा. सर, हम इस स्पेस के वर्ल्ड में रहते हैं ना, और हम सब सुख चाहते हैं अपने जीवन में, लेकिन जो सुख के राजा है वो तो आपके नाम ही है. तो इसलिए आप दूसरों को भी इतने खूबसूरती से सुख देते हैं. So it's a real honor and that is the reason we have this super success celebration. So thank you.
Thank you.
शुक्रगुजार हैं आपके. And now it's time for us to meet that very brilliant, sharp lady who makes it possible for all of us to excel. Ladies and gentlemen, please, with a loud roar of applause, may we please welcome the supremely talented and the very dynamic lady, the complete, magnificent lady. Let's give it up for Manju Yagnik ji. We welcome you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, Manju Yagnik ji is the Vice Chairperson, Nahar Group, and the Senior Vice President, Naritco, Maharashtra. And at the same time, she makes it possible for every dream to come true, just like sir. So, without any further ado, let's have the unveiling. जिस cover page पे हमें सबसे ज़्यादा accolades मिले थे and at the same time जो college students हैं उन्हें खूब सारा ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ था. So what is it? Let's take a look at the great insights right after we have the unveiling of the cover page. Please join us for the countdown. Sukhraj sir, आपका favorite number कौन सा है?
9.
The countdown of 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. A wow moment indeed for all of us, ladies and gentlemen. The grand unveiling by Magnet Publishing, Society, Interiors and Design. The Nahar Group, decoding the future of space planning. Taking a look at this, which has changed the entire look of Chandivali and actually made it into Chandvi Valley. So beautiful. May I please request my dignitaries to join us for a photo op along with the cover page of
सर थोड़ा और इधर
सर सेंटर ठीक है सर
और सर मैम लुक सेंटर
Nahar Amrit Shakti in this prestigious magazine. It's time for us to take a look at the magazine itself. May we please have the grand unveiling by the hands of Sir himself. Sir Sukhraj Nahar. Sir, आपका नाम लेने में भी ना ऐसे सुख महसूस होता है. Wow, what an honor. Manju ma'am, please. And one for Ashok sir, please. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the magazine cover of Society Interiors and Design,
The look center.
where we are here to celebrate the super success celebration
सर लुक यहाँ पे लीजिए
of the great project. Not just this project, but all the projects by Nahar Group have been very unique. Before we go ahead, may I please invite my beautiful family of Society Interiors and Design. Sunil Khavnekar sir, may I kindly request you to please join us. Andrea Costabel, Shivendra Parihar sir, Preeta Nair, Mario Ferreira, Ria, Pragya, Nitya and Aisha. Everybody please join us for a photo of my very brilliant team, lovely team of Society Interiors and Design. For a photo of please. We'd like to truly thank
On this camera, please.
our living legend,
यहाँ पे देखिए सब लोग
Mr. Sukhraj Nahar sir, for his valuable time, for great insights and for the gift he's given to mankind in the heart city of Mumbai at Chandivali. That is Nahar Amrit Shakti, जिसका नाम ही अमृत हो. Wow. हमारे ट्रेडिशनल सर प्लीज सर सर हमें ये खूबसूरत सा
Sir, this side.
and a lovely color for ma'am as well.
Sir, look
Our
here.
vice chairperson
Look
Nahar
center.
Group.
नीचे कीजिए
Sir, this side. Center one. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yadnik ji, please. So what really took our attention is, and the official premises, along with the fabulous space that they've given for everyone, for the families to celebrate life together, to international schools. But what is really unique is, in association with the Brahan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, with the BMC, the fabulous project. Well, ladies and gentlemen, yes, it's the Nahar Amrit Shakti Udyan and the Miyawaki Forest, which is very, very unique concept, which is around 33,000 square meter forest, is really unique. So we really look forward to believing in sustainability, and what a great active decision taken by them, where we look forward to celebrating the forest as well. So आइए मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ आपकी कि आपने जो किया है, और ये यहाँ पर कोई भी नहीं जानता है, लेकिन मैं खुद बड़ी फैन हूँ आपके नाहर अमृत शक्ति की, क्योंकि मैंने वो जो खेल वाली जगह है ना, जो मैंने वहाँ पे इक्विपमेंट्स देखे हैं सर, मैंने फॉरेन अमेरिका में भी नहीं देखे हैं. तो मैं इतनी इम्प्रेस थी कि भारत देश में ये प्रोजेक्ट, ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट कौन लाया है. तो मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ आपकी, और मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया है आपके नाहर अमृत शक्ति में. सर प्लीज आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, क्या कहना चाहेंगे सोसाइटी इंटीरियर्स एंड डिज़ाइन के लिए इतना हमें बहुत और बहुत रिस्पॉन्स मिला है, तो इसलिए हम पहली बार एवर ऐसा सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
मैं इस कंपनी के साथ काफ़ी साल से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और ये बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं, तो उससे कई लोगों को प्रोत्साहन मिलता है और अच्छी मैगजीन है. और जो अपना दाभोलकर साहब जो काम कर रहे हैं उसके लिए मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ. और आज हमको बुला के आप नारायण शक्ति के बारे में जो बताया उसके लिए भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत शुक्रिया sir. May we please have a few words by Manju Yagnik ma'am, and how does it feel with the association? What do you like to say? I mean, we've received fabulous response.
I think I would like to summarize in one line, which is it's an ultimate hub of design, architecture, technology, innovations, exposure. So we, as Mr. Nahar said, that we are associated with Society magazine for last 30 years plus. So I think most learned people are getting as a reference, are using it as a reference, because it's a big global exposure of architecture, and every first innovation mostly we come to know from Society magazine. And the best global projects and architects are how they are displaying their best of their innovations and the projects and the special features in Society magazine. So I am truly honored, and I really feel it's a great opportunity for us as well. And thank you so much, Society. We have, being part of you, and it's a great honor and it's a great privilege as well. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Great hearing from you. Devya Sajano, just as I mentioned earlier, yes, our Living Legends name is absolutely divine. So I'd just like to say the second line. The first line is, yes, Sukhraj means the Raja of peace, and it also means the Raja, the King of Khushiyan. So let's raise a toast by doing thumbs up to Nahar Amrit Shakti. Congratulations and big congratulations to Nahar Amrit Shakti, and thank you for being on the cover page of Society Interiors and Design. Humble thanks to you. Sir, 15 minute ka tha, I'm done. Humble.
16 मिनट किया।
Sorry sir.
Okay. I want to say thank you to Mr. Sukrajji and Manju for giving us such wonderful opportunity to carry Nahar Amrit Shakti project on the Society Interior Design magazines. Today we are celebrating ये जो success story है, we are celebrating today the success story, and I am grateful to Mr. Nahar.
Thank you.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much. Shukriya.
Opportunity, the project is being displayed here, and I want more and more people to see to it, and it's a marvel architecture which we are doing. In fact, Nahar Group has successfully completed its 50 years, and this is a project which is more closer to us actually, because it is by the Miyawaki forest. It's a 33,000 square meter of a forest, and beside that itself there is a project. So there is more holistic lifestyle, and every possible amenities is provided in this, and it's surrounded by greens.
So something is Society Interiors, your cover page is launched. How much you excited for this?
Good, actually, as I said, Society Interiors we are associated with since last many years, and we see very well-known projects here in this. And we see all the technologies, best technologies are exposed here, so it is a very good platform. So it's a privilege to us.
Okay, thank you. Nahar Group in your cover page, how much you excited for this?
Yes, actually हमने तो I already said that कि we have already carried the I have already said that we have already carried feature Nahar project on our Society Interior and Design magazines. It was a great opportunity for us to showcase not only the project, उसके पीछे there are a lot of, especially Nahar project, it's a very unique and how would I say that it's a most
Ashok ji,
talk about the project in Mumbai city, and it is our privilege to carry the same. I give the 100% marks to Manju and Mr. Nahar for giving us such opportunity to carry in our cover of Society Interior and Design magazine.
Ashok ji, if you remember, when we spoke about the project and when you visited that, and that time we decided that we should definitely speak about it in their one of the magazine, and because it was again a part of a good technology and the balance together and a holistic lifestyle. So we both decided that we will definitely in their coming issues also, slowly we will introduce many more things about the project together. And I actually congratulate Ashok ji for 30 years success, and it's a good this thing, and they are really giving a good this thing to society as well.
In fact, इनकी जो story है, in fact the whole entire, not only Mumbai, but the whole country is seen the story, and it's such good story that everybody wants to follow now. After the Nahar, everybody wants to follow. If you see that there are many such stories are on the way, and we are saying, okay, we will let up because we don't want to repeat the same story. So we are so happy for our association with Nahar. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at our super success celebration, we like to truly thank the one and only Anusha Srinivasan Iyer for truly making it possible for all of us to shine bright with the media. Thank you very much, friends from the media, and thank you, Anusha. Lots of love from all of us here at Society Interiors and Design.